Here in today's video we're going to review this non-stick titanium ceramic stainless steel frying pan set. This is a 6-piece set that it comes with everything that you will need to install or put together these pans. Okay, so it comes with lids separate and it doesn't have the handle attached to it, so you have to put it on the handle and use the screws and all the tools that it includes. Okay, so the good thing is that it includes everything that you will need to put them together, and it doesn't take a lot of space when you just take everything out of the box. So the shape of them and the texture on the bottom and on the outside, it's really nice. And it's really easy to put the handle to the pan and also the handle to, or the grip for the lids. Okay, so and you don't need anything else but what it includes in the box. So it even includes the tools that you will be needing to install this. Okay, so this is how they will look like and how you will be installing them. And let's just see how they look once that you have put everything together right here. So here they are once that they have the handle and the lids. Everything is ready to be used. So this is how much you will need to cook on these frying pans. So you don't need a lot of oil like in others, and these are perfect for you because you will be keeping your meals healthy without being so oily, and also you will be cooking delicious meals without anything sticking to the pans. Okay, so we are cooking now an omelet right here. As you can see, we use like a teaspoon of olive oil, and this is what we are using, and as you can see, it didn't stick at all in these pans. This is how delicious it looks when we are preparing them, and you can see how easy it is just to move it with this spatula right here, and nothing was a stick on the pan. Really nice. I love these non-stick ceramic stainless steel frying pans. These are amazing. I was really surprised by them, and I am obsessed.